Bobby.
Here, I got it. Let's get a treat. I think we need a couple of treats.
This is Bobby in his new Velociraptor costume.
Oh, Bobby. Wait. Yep. Bobby. Good Velociraptor. Bobby, come here. Treat. Bobby, we got a treat. Let me fix his little head. Come here, little baby. Let me fix your head. We're going to give you lots of treats while you're dealing with this. What's this? What is this? Show them your tail. Let's put your head up. Good boy. Do you have it? Let's walk in front of your dad. Come on. Let's put your head on. You gotta put your head on. There you go. It's here. Alright, follow your nose. No, you gotta put your head on. Just put your head on. Put your head on. There you go. Look at that. Look at how cute you are. Yeah.
Bobby, you are so handsome.
You are so handsome. Yeah, boy.